Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable login alerts on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Some Facebook feature can be really helpful, but some can be really annoying too much. Like this feature, this login alert feature. For some reason, maybe you want to turn off or disable this feature. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Tap on account center. You can scroll down. On account settings, there is an option, password and security. You can tap on that. On security check, you can review security issues by running checks across app, devices, and email sent. And you'll see there is also option login alerts. You can tap on that. You can manage how you'd like to be notified about unrecognized login to your account. Now you can choose the account that you want to disable the login alerts. Because I want to turn off my login alerts on the Facebook, of course, we have to choose our Facebook account here. As you can see, my login alerts in app notification and email. So whenever there is an unrecognized device or browser tries to log in into my account, I'll get notification in Facebook app and from my email. Now you can tap on this to turn off or disable this login alert. Now you can go back. You can see. Now this login alert is disabled from my account. So that is how to turn off login alerts on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!